Kidney function tests, also called renal function tests, are used to evaluate how well our kidneys are working. These tests are important in identifying the presence of renal diseases, monitoring treatment and progression of diseases. There are several types of kidney function tests including blood tests, which measure the level of substances in the blood that are filtered by the kidney such as blood urea nitrogen, serum creatinine and estimated glomerular filtration rate. Urine tests measure the amount of protein, glucose and other substances in the urine which indicate how well the kidneys are working or filtering the waste. Imaging tests such as ultrasound or CT scan can be used to get a picture of the kidney and look for any problem or damage. Kidney biopsy is a procedure where a small piece of kidney tissue is removed and examined under a microscope to diagnose kidney diseases. In this video, we will explore some of the most important blood and urine tests which are used for assessing kidney function. So, make sure to watch till the end and also support us by subscribing to our channel. So let's begin. Our first test is blood urea nitrogen test. A blood urea nitrogen burn test is a common blood test that measures the amount of urea in the blood, providing important information about the kidney function. Urea nitrogen is a waste product that is produced when the liver breaks down the protein and it is filtered out by the kidney and eliminated from the body through urine. The normal range for blood urea nitrogen level is typically between 7 to 20 mg per deciliter in a normal adult. Higher than normal level may indicate that the kidneys are not functioning properly, which can be caused by the variety of factors such as dehydration, heart failure, liver diseases, or kidney disease. High level may also be caused by certain medications such as antibiotics or steroids. Lower than normal blood urea nitrogen level are less common and may be caused by the conditions such as malnutrition or liver damage. Let's move to our second test, that is serum creatinine test. Serum creatinine test is a common blood test that measures the level of creatinine in the blood. Creatinine is the waste product of the muscles as part of metabolic process and filtered out of the blood by the kidneys and excreted in the urine. The normal range for serum creatinine level can vary slightly depending on laboratory, but generally falls between 0.7 to 1.3 mg per deciliter for men and 0.6 to 1.1 mg per deciliter for women. Elevated serum creatinine level may indicate impaired kidney function. This can be a sign of kidney disease or other condition that can affect kidney function, such as dehydration, urinary tract obstruction, or certain medication. On the other hand, lower than normal serum level are less common and may be seen in conditions such as decreased muscle mass or liver diseases. Our next topic is estimated glomerular filtration rate (eGFR). Estimated glomerular filtration rate. This test calculates the glomerular filtration rate, which reflects how well the kidney filters the blood and represented by milliliter per minute. A normal eGFR result is typically considered to be 90 ml per minute or higher. However, the normal range may vary depending on the laboratory that performed the test as well as the age, gender, and a race of the person being tested. Lower than normal eGFR levels may indicate impaired kidney function, which can be caused by a variety of factors such as kidney disease, dehydration, urinary tract obstruction, or certain medication. A lower eGFR may also indicate chronic kidney disease, which is a progressive condition which can lead to the kidney failure if left untreated. Higher than normal eGFR level are less common and may be seen in people with certain health conditions such as pregnancy or hyperfiltration syndrome. Serum albumin is another important test to assess kidney health. The serum albumin test is a blood test that measures the amount of albumin in the blood. Albumin is a protein produced by the liver that helps maintain fluid balance in the body and carries substances such as hormones, medicines, and enzymes throughout the body. Normal value ranges for serum albumin level may vary slightly among different laboratories but generally falls between 3.5 to 5 gram per deciliter in a healthy person. Low albumin level can be a sign of a kidney or a liver disease or another medical condition, while high level may also be a sign of dehydration. Urine analysis is a kidney component of kidney function tests and is also known as urinalysis. It involves examining a urine sample to check for sign of kidney disease and other health problems. Urine test can identify early sign of kidney disease such as presence of protein in the urine. The presence of protein in the urine is called proteinuria, which indicates kidney damage and is one of the early signs of kidney disease. Thanks for watching. I hope you have liked the video. Feel free to comment down any query you might have.